So today is August 17, 2024. And I'm eating microwaved or like TV dinner for lunch. It's microwaveable food, and it's chicken marsala. It has string bean, chicken, potatoes, and mushrooms. I added a fresh garlic in after it cooked, and for flavor. It still tastes really good. I don't know if it enhanced the flavor. Maybe I'll take a bite of it. Yep, that's good. Yeah, probably added a bit of more flavor. I'm drinking seltzer water. I heard that eating garlic is good for your health. I heard that a long time ago, though. I wonder what it is in garlic that's good for your health, though. Probably all kinds of vegetables are good for your health. Oh, this is really good. The stuff I cook are pretty bland in comparison. Probably a chef made this formula for this, mass production. The sauce is really delicious, and it makes the food really easy to eat. Okay, I'm tall. I'm not tall. I'm all done. I mean, I'm not short either, but I'm not tall. Wow, that was really satisfying lunch. Now I'm gonna go brush my teeth.